Meaning of iota.
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 Iota. Iota is a term that can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In mathematics, an iota is the ninth letter of the Greek alphabet and is often used as a variable or constant in algebraic equations. In everyday language, iota means a very small amount or quantity, often used in expressions such as not one iota, meaning not even the slightest amount. This reflects the original meaning of the Greek word, which was a tiny amount or a jot. In some religious contexts, iota also has a specific meaning. In Christianity, for example, Jesus is said to have declared that not one iota or dot of the law of Moses would be abolished until all things are accomplished.